I can't believe these people. I don't understand these people. I don't understand them. It's time for Talking Shit. Yeah. Hi, I'm DeAndre. Welcome to another special election edition of Talking Shit. And no, I'm not going to talk about the Brits. I'm getting ready to talk shit about David Frum and his smear campaign and blitz toward the Clinton Foundation and the global initiative of helping people with AIDS and world hunger, and I guess accusing Bill and Belinda Gates as a blunder. Sociologically, it's hard for me to believe that these Zionists are complaining to us about the Clinton family taking advantage of a lot of the blatant aspects of the Citizens United ruling. And now some bullshit is brewing. They are claiming that the Clinton Foundation has too many relationships with foreign countries and other businesses abroad in regards to what the Clinton Initiative and the global projects of the Clinton administration, the Clinton organization does all over the world. And they're saying that there was some communicative things going on while Clinton was, his wife was the Secretary of State. Listen, this, if you work in an environment for over a decade, between the two of them, over 4 decades, you are going to run into the same types of people. And that's why a lot of people are blurred with who, people talk liberal, but they behave conservatively. A perfect example is the results of the election in the United Kingdom. People talk with this liberal tone, but behind the scenes, they got a conservative bullshit agenda going on. And I believe that the Clintons have taken advantage of a lot of money that Wall Street didn't invest in regards to what the people with AIDS and stuff needed in Africa. They're mad because the Clintons are helping the blacks. The blacks are under attack. The global initiative of the Clinton Foundation is to help Africa as one continent with the outbreak of AIDS, the Ebola crisis, all the things that aren't the nicest. That's what these people have been helping with. And to attack the Clintons because of this money is really, really not the Republicans' specialty or milk and honey. I suggest that they try another route. Keep harassing her about Benghazi and lie to us about the fatality of 9/11. Go that route with y'all's bullshit. But don't come at the Clintons in regards to money. Don't do that. That is a part of, they drawing y'all in. And they're going to bring up Jack Abramoff again. That's the name I couldn't remember yesterday. Jack Abramoff. What about Jack Abramoff? Are we going to read his emails? Can we trace the Bush money back to Halliburton by way of Dick Cheney? How the fuck are you guys going to talk about these Clintons when the Halliburton machine is about war and destruction? Hell, if they're wrong about it, at least they've taken care of AIDS while they do it. The Halliburton machine blows up things again and again, over and over. That's who Dick Cheney worked for while he was there and while he was the vice president. So don't tell me no bullshit about the Clintons. I don't want to hear it unless you talk openly about comparing them to all the other bullshit that these conservatives do. Tom DeLay, what the fuck are you talking about? Thurman talked all this bullshit and then had a baby by a black woman. And they all have it. It's all in there. Stop trying to act like that's over there and this is right here. It's all in there. Don't talk shit about the Clintons and getting the goddamn money. That's who all runs the country, the people with the fucking money. And you see these celebrities and you see all these people talking one way and voting another way. See? They talk one way, but they vote another direction. See, so don't give me this bullshit about how everybody sees money and then practices a spiritual defection. Don't nobody in politics defect away from money. Now, I'm telling you that the Clintons are doing more good than they do shitty, even though they've done some shitty things. And that is why I have no respect for those who don't look at their own bullshit first before they throw it at somebody else. These Republicans are losing. They need to stop their fucking cartoon graveyard candidacy from all these weirdos that they keep putting up. They go from Michelle Bachmann to fucking... You know, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous to assume that we are not trying to let you know. You cannot bamboozle us. You can't bamboozle us. We don't trust none of y'all asses. Now we're trying to pick the lesser of the two evils. Shit. You know, when it comes to the money, ain't a damn thing really all that funny. These inner city communities are just horribly being ran because the feds are taking all this money that they use for stuff like food stamps, like education, like the environment, and they're spending it on war. And I believe that Halliburton has made more money off the wars in this world than any politician that has ran for office anywhere in this country. Who the fuck y'all think y'all bullshitting? Let me tell you something, Mr. Frum. Go back where the fuck you got your bullshit from. And I believe that there's somebody that can help you. And that's why we end every episode, when I can remember, from now until December, we're going to say fuck Fox News. Thank ya.